First, switch on the splicer unit. And use the app from your handphone. Just see it's unconnected device. Press unconnected device. Yeah. Refer to the serial number on the splicer unit or screen. Then you just click onto the correct number. Here it shows the connection succeed. There will be a command from the app in the order regarding the splicing unit that you will do.
Please place the fiber and close windshield cover.
Now, you just close the cover.
Fiber is moving. Fiber is focusing. Fiber is moving. Fiber is splicing. Splicing succeed. Loss 0.01 dB. Please place the fiber and close windshield cover. Preheating is completed. Heating. Please wait. Heating is complete.
Oh.
Fiber is moving. No qualified fiber is recognized on the left side. Fiber is moving. Please retrieve the left side fiber.